Hi, I'm Bertrand. Welcome back to the Boomers Tech Show, where we show boomers how to use tech to make their lives easier. In this video, we're going to look at part 4 of our iPad Basic series entitled Keyboard Settings. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your cog settings on your iPad, tap it, and now you want to go to General and then Keyboards. At the very top, you'll notice that in the right hand corner, you see an arrow. Touch the arrow. Now you can add various keyboards to your device. Now to add a keyboard, you simply tap the add, choose various languages, or for example, you can choose the emoji. It is now added. And to make sure that we have it added, we'll simply go to a document and then you choose a document. Now you tap the screen and you'll notice that the emoji is now added to my keyboard. The next thing we want to look at is text replacement. If you wanted to add phrases to your keyboard, you can. Simply go to the keyboard text replacement and then you tap the plus sign. And now the phrase. And then a shortcut. Now hit save. You'll notice that help me out comes up in the bar. You simply tap it and now it is inserted into your document. The next section is the all keyboards section. And in this section, you can have your device to automatically do things for you. The auto capitalization will automatically capitalize the first letter of words in your sentence if you turn it on. The autocorrect will automatically correct. The enable caps will give you the ability to have the cap lock for certain documents or applications that you use. Shortcuts will allow you to use the shortcut features on your keyboard. Smart punctuation will allow you to automatically choose the proper punctuation for words that you use in various sentences. And the enable key flex, what that does is it gives you the ability to quickly switch to symbols on your keyboard. And then shortcuts would allow you again to use shortcuts on your keyboard as well. Next, we want to look at the next section that deals with spelling and predictive text. So in order to check your spelling in your documents, you turn this on. Predictive text will automatically predict the words that you use based on your history. And it will form some type of custom dictionary of words for you. Slide on floating keyboard to type gives you the ability to start on one letter and then slide your finger across the word to complete the word. Enable diction gives you the ability to speak your words into documents. As you speak, it will automatically dictate or type the words into your documents. And then finally, you have your Memoji stickers. Now this will allow you, of course, to insert Memojis within your documents as well. So this has been a quick review of how to set up your keyboard. If you found value in this quick tutorial, please hit that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and come back and check out our next video in this iPad series. I'm Bertrand. Thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show. See you next time.